Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're an executive or a firm partner, your absolutely most valuable asset is your knowledge. But here's the thing, getting that complex expertise in front of the right buyers, that requires a massive strategic shift. Today, we're diving into source material that reveals exactly how to build a true B2B authority engine through strategic video podcasting.
The text poses a really provocative question right out of the gate, and it's this. Are you just renting a room with gear, or are you actually building a repeatable content engine? Honestly, it's so easy to fall into the trap of thinking a podcast studio is just, a room with some nice microphones and a flashy camera. But treating it as a simple rental space, that is a massive missed opportunity for your business.
Now, don't get me wrong. Perception absolutely matters. A polished set, dramatic lighting, high-quality cameras, those are table stakes these days because B2B audiences judge credibility in literally seconds. If your setup looks cheap, well, they're going to assume your advice is cheap too. But here's the catch. Production value alone only gets you halfway there. If your video podcast isn't turning your expertise into actual search visibility and real sales conversations, then that beautiful set just isn't doing its job.
This whole dynamic is absolutely crucial in trust-based industries. We're talking about commercial real estate, legal services, finance, logistics, B2B tech. In these fields, your knowledge literally is your product. You aren't selling some simple commodity off a shelf. You're selling risk mitigation. You're selling strategic guidance. So you desperately need to bridge the gap between your incredibly complex internal knowledge and the public trust of your market.
And this is where a lot of business buyers get it wrong. They mistakenly focus all their attention on aesthetics, the fancy furniture, the visible mics, that dramatic lighting. But at true production environment, it's built on strategy. That means clear messaging, an incredibly efficient production workflow, and content outputs that actually align with exactly how your buyers do their research. A studio needs to be a highly strategic environment, not just a pretty place to film.
So what exactly happens if you ignore this strategy? Well, the source text highlights a pain point that executive teams know all too well. Subject matter experts are incredibly busy, right? And internal teams are stretched dangerously thin. As a result, marketing budgets end up getting blown on these one-off campaigns that just disappear into the ether faster than an ignored cold email. It creates absolutely zero compounding value for the firm.
But the source material identifies a very clear solution here. It states, a video podcast can become one of the most efficient ways to turn internal knowledge into public authority. For busy executives, this is literally the ultimate structure. It gives your brand a dedicated format for thought leadership, client education, and sales enablement that keeps working for you long after the recording day actually ends.
Okay, let's break down the mechanics of how this strategic engine actually works. It starts with Step 1, a core episode discussion. But you definitely don't stop there. That single conversation translates into Step 2, SEO copy for your website. Step 3, targeted social clips and reels. And Step 4, direct sales follow-up assets. You see, one single efficient recording session can fuel your entire marketing and sales ecosystem. But, and this is a big but, only if that repurposing is strategically planned from the very beginning.
What's really fascinating here is why this format works so incredibly well for serious B2B industries. Put simply, it rewards depth. You aren't forced into some shallow 30-second promotional ad. Instead, you actually get the time to explain market shifts and break down super complex regulations. It bridges brand visibility directly to lead generation, creates highly searchable media, and most importantly, it demonstrates exactly how your firm thinks. And honestly, that is exactly how B2B buyers evaluate risk.
And this is where we translate all this marketing strategy into the language the C-suite actually cares about. The text points out something brilliant. If someone watches your material and arrives at the first call already informed, your sales process gets shorter and stronger. Just think about that for a second. The prospect has already pre-qualified themselves. They trust your judgment before they even pick up the phone. That is the ultimate return on investment.
But to design content that actually converts like that, you can't just pick random topics that you happen to find interesting. You have to reverse engineer your episodes based on the specific objections your prospects bring up in sales calls and the market issues they're actively worrying about. You need clear, credible host delivery, and you have to carefully balance the editing so you don't accidentally strip away the authenticity of the conversation.
The text actually gives a really fascinating warning here. Overproduced energy can hurt trust in professional categories. Buyers want substance delivered well, not forced charisma. This is huge. If you're a CPA firm or a logistics company, trying to act like a high-energy YouTube blogger will likely destroy your credibility. Your audience is looking for confident clarity. They want substance, not flash.
So let's say you're totally on board with the strategy. How do you evaluate a studio partner to actually pull this off? First off, look at production workflow efficiency. Decision makers do not have time for a 5-hour production day that should have taken 2. Leadership attention is incredibly expensive. You also need a partner who provides real messaging support, builds your distribution intent backward from how you'll actually use the content, and deeply understands your specific industry's tone.
And when you're choosing that partner, there's a massive difference between mere convenience and strategic proximity. Picking a location just because it happens to be the closest one often completely lacks strategy. Strategic proximity, on the other hand, means finding a local partner whose closeness actually reduces travel friction, which allows your incredibly busy executives to sustain recurring monthly or quarterly recording sessions without skipping a beat.
Because ultimately, as the source brilliantly captures, repetition builds a library builds authority. Doing one single podcast episode achieves pretty much nothing, but reducing the friction so you can record consistently, that creates a compounding asset for your business. It's an asset that your competitors simply cannot replicate overnight. The takeaway here is absolutely undeniable. If you are a business in the South Bay, the Harbor area, or adjacent business hubs, you need a strategic partner that goes way beyond just pressing a record button. You need a partner that translates what you internally know into external market trust. You need someone who understands business communication just as much as they understand lighting and audio. And that brings us to the specific solution highlighted in the material, Voxel Micro Video Labs, located right in San Pedro. They operate on this exact strategy-first model. Their entire studio experience is framed around discoverability, establishing your authority, and driving actual business outcomes, rather than just renting you an hour of studio time. They are the definition of that strategic proximity solution we just talked about.
So the ultimate takeaway for your executive team is this. It is time to fundamentally change how you view your media investments. You need to stop making these one-off campaigns and start building a system that makes your brand undeniably trustworthy, easier to remember, and easier to discover. Every single recording session should be treated like a high-value asset creation day.
Ready to take that next step and turn your expertise into your strongest sales asset? Start your video podcast at Voxel Micro Video Labs. You can book your next strategic session right now by visiting voxelmicrovideolabs.com. So I'll leave you with this final thought. Are you going to keep renting a room for one-off campaigns, or are you finally ready to treat every single recording session as a true asset creation day?